Now we have the last question in the series of questions about the pack of cards. Here we have a pack of 52 cards in which we have to find 4 cards with 2 red colored and 2 black colored cards, and the second is 4 cards of same color. So like I told you before that diamond and hearts are red colored and spades and clubs are black colored. So here are the 4 choices for this question, and the correct answer is the first one, 105625 and 29900. So let us look at the solution now. So let us look at the solution for the first problem, which is selecting 2 red colored and 2 black colored cards. I have written this "and" in capital so that you get the hint of fundamental principles of counting, where you have to take the event of selecting 2 red colored cards and 2 black colored cards, and you multiply the number of ways that each event can happen, right? So this comes all the time, again and again. Just reinforce this concept. So let us find the number of ways to select 2 red colored cards. So how many red colored cards are there? First of all, I told you that you have 2 suits, diamonds and hearts, right, which are red colored. So each of them has 13 cards. So you have 13 into 2, 26 cards of diamonds and hearts, right? And I have to select 2 of them. So how do I select 2 cards out of 26? It's simple, right? 26C2, right? So this is 325. Okay. And what about selecting 2 black colored cards? Again, I'll list it down again, but the answer will be same. You can see that it will still be 325 because you have spades and clubs. Those are also 26 cards, right? And you have to select 2 black colored cards. There are 26 black colored cards and you have to select 2, and again you will have 325 as the answer. But the event is basically to select both 2 red colored and 2 black colored cards, right? So what do? We just apply the fundamental principles of counting, and we'll just say 325 multiplied by 325, right? Because this is the event of picking 2 red colored cards and this is the event of picking 2 black colored cards, and we multiply the 2 together and we find the answer. The answer is 105625. So just what about the second problem? So let us look at the second problem, which is select 4 cards of same color, right? How can you select 4 cards of same color? You can do it in 2 ways. Either you can select 4 cards of black or 4 cards of red, right? Because there are only 2 colors, so you have to pick either all black or all red. And this OR is crucial because we just have to find the number of ways to pick 4 cards of black and add them to the number of ways to find 4 cards of red, right? So this is why OR is Whenever or comes, you add the numbers. Whenever and comes, you multiply it. I mean, we have explained the logic many times, but I try my best to reinforce this learning. And in how many ways can we select 4 cards of black? So how many black cards are there, first of all? We have 2 suits, spades and clubs in black, so you have 26 cards, right? So you have 26 black cards, and we have to select 4 of them. So this will be 26, and we have to select 4, so 26c4, right? And what about 4 cards of red? Same procedure, right? Follow the same procedure and still it will be 26c4. I won't repeat it again. So if we have to find the final answer, we just have to add these two together, right? The number of ways to do this. So we have 26c4 plus 26c4. So 26c4, the number of ways to pick 4 cards of black, and 26c4 to pick 4 cards of red, and add them together. This is 2 multiplied by 26 factorial divided by 4 factorial and 22 factorial. And if you solve this, you will get 29900. This is the answer.